Welcome once again. Let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. Now, at the time of recording this, fake token is ranked number 2,949 crypto coins with the highest market cap of $28.8 million. Now, if you need about 100 billion coins of fake token, you need an investment of $64 in order to buy 100 billion coins. Now, fake token, some people actually purchase fake token, and a lot of people actually stake their fake token. When you stake, you make more money. But now let's take a look at the price analysis. How much can you get in return if we decide to buy 100 billion coins? Now, $64 at the time of recording this will give us over 100 billion coins. Fake token deleting 10, definitely you'll be making about over $600. Okay, I think that should be $650. By the time you remove your initial investment, you'll be getting about $590 profit. Now, if fake token deletes 2 zeros, you'll be making about $6,400, and 3 zero will definitely give us about $64,560 at the time of recording this. Now, buying 100 billion coins of fake token, is it a good investment? Will fake token eventually increase? Will fake token delete between 2 to 3 zeros? The truth is, fake token can only rise when we see coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB shooting higher. Now, with the way BTC have been increasing, it simply shows this year is going to be a bullish year. You can see BTC is almost hitting $30,000 for the first time, all the way from $15,000 last year. Okay, BTC is now fighting to hit $30,000, and very soon we'll be seeing BTC hitting over $40,000-$60,000. Fake token also is going to benefit from this. Okay, now fake token with the project they have, we also this year how fake token was able to increase massively, and a lot of people have actually purchased fake token, and a lot of people have actually taken their fake token. Now, 100 billion coins of fake token is a good way to start. But remember, if you want to buy 100 billion, buy it. If you want to buy more, but remember to invest what you can afford to lose. So imagine fake token deleting just 1 zero. For like for me, if I buy 100 billion coins of fake token, I'll be going for 1 0. Some people will actually tell you they'll be waiting for fake token to delete 3 or 4 zeros. Yes, if that happens in future, you're going to make a lot of money. But for me, I'll be waiting for just 1 zero, which will be returning about $650. By the time you remove your initial investment, you'll be getting almost $586. Okay, from $580, I can start to remove $400, then reinvest the remaining amount, then leave it for fake token at least between now to 2025 or 2027. So you can see at the end you are making profit, at the end you are making money. So that's the crypto industry, because you don't know what will be happening. Take a look at the Luna Classic, what happened last year. That's why I keep advising people, when you buy a particular coin, that coin increases, try to cash out. So let it be. If the coin continues to grow, yes, you make more money, and if anything happens to such coin, at least you be well assured that you make something from that coin. This is the way you grow in terms of investment. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.